guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been quite some time since I've actually been on camera face to face with you guys. I've been doing a lot of mobile gameplay videos, specifically my Hollywood Story series, and that's been going on for a few years now, so I'm so excited to get back to actually filming on my camera. I'm just doing it in my car right now. I've got a lot to tell you guys. So this video is going to be about Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty that is coming up here shortly on the 6th. So we got little pamphlets. I don't know if you guys still look at your magazine, but I don't know. I always like looking through them, circling what I want. Just, I don't know, it feels good. And then you always get your little coupon in the back. This is a $10 off of a qualifying purchase of $50 or more in store or online. But yeah, I just wanted to chat with you guys. I've missed being on here, and ultimately my YouTube was always about, you know, beauty, content creation, hauls, stuff like that, and it was never going to be a gaming channel, and that was a very niche game that gained popularity, and I still want to do those gaming videos, but I want to get back to what YouTube was always meant to be for me. It's something I'm very passionate about and something I want to continue to do and play around in. So it's been quite some time that I've actually used my real camera, my Canon EOS 80D with my mic, all of that. So hopefully I have not forgotten how to use it or how to edit. I feel like it's going to be a learning curve to kind of get back into the swing of things, but YouTube was always supposed to be about makeup, me playing in makeup, and I just want to get back to that. Currently, I'm having a whole Jennovation with my bedroom, so we're not filming in there right now. I may can soon, eventually, but a lot of change is happening in that room to have a really good space and just a good area to actually film, do those, you know, eyeshadow tutorials, makeup tutorials, hauls, the must-haves, my favorites of each month, all those types of videos that original beauty YouTube was. I want to bring that back. You know, people are saying like, oh, 2016, bring that back, 2006, bring it back. I'm here for it. I'm so here for it, and I'm not gonna let this Jennovation stop me from already filming. So hence the car chats. Hopefully you guys will enjoy them, and you know, take your break with me, eat your lunch at work in your car, and we can chit chat together and just enjoy life and seize the day, seize the opportunity, and don't let anything get in our way, because that has been my biggest issue. You know, I keep thinking like, oh, I've got to get my room sorted out, I've got to declutter, I've got so much stuff to donate and just reorganize and better lighting in there. And it's a big process because I'm wanting to change everything, absolutely everything. The walls, I want to paint them, I want to rip up the carpet. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm sure there's a YouTube video out there so it can guide me along the way. But it's a big project. But I kept thinking, oh, I can't film a video until I get this done. I have to do my game videos, and that's not true. I can still make videos. They may not be in my room, they may be in the car or more of like a vlog style or something like that, but that is what I'm choosing to do. I'm not going to sit around and, you know, waste more time than I already have. I'm going to make the videos that I want to make, and I'm going to get my room and my space exactly how I want. So once my Jennovation is complete, I will do a video on that. I'm feeling like some sage green walls, all that, you know, liven it up, bright colors and plants and stuff. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. So, 21 days of beauty here. So this event is 21 plus days. So it's actually more than 21 days. I think it's like 26, 25 days. And this is where you can get 50% off of daily and weekly beauty stills. That is incredible for Ulta, and it's one of the biggest events of the year that they always do. So if you are a diamond or platinum member, you can gain exclusive early access to online and in-store beauty stills. So starting on the 5th instead of the 6th, if you are a platinum or diamond member on the 5th, you can go ahead and start making your purchases. So that is awesome, and you also can get free shipping with any of these beauty still purchases if you're a diamond and platinum. And then along with that, you can get same day delivery on orders 35 and up from March 6th to the 26th. And I believe that's for everybody, not just those two tiers. So I also noticed on the Ulta app, if you go into the details page for the 21 plus days of beauty of beauty, excuse me. um, they say to stay tuned for something coming on March 27th. So I'm really curious what this is. Are they like dropping something new? Is it a new brand that's coming to Ulta? What do you guys think? Let me know. I'm very, very curious. I absolutely love Ulta's point and reward platform. I think it's incredible that you can use it as money towards your purchase instead of like Sephora, which I do love Sephora, don't get me wrong. And they have some nice like redemption rewards that you can get, but I want some money. I want to put my money, you know, what I'm spending towards other stuff I want to buy. So I love Ulta for that. So for the 21 plus days of beauty, what are you guys wanting to snag during these beauty deals, these beauty stills? I've got a few things listed. I've already went through the app and previewed all the days. So I also added them to my cart already. So that just makes it a little bit easier to already have them. I don't have to track them down. I just have to remember what day is what for the sales. But I have already added them to my cart. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys are wanting to snag during this sale, and I'm gonna have to check them out. Let me know like beauty recommendations too. I'm going to let you guys know what I currently have in my cart, but I'm open to suggestions. So let me know. Items that I am looking forward to in snagging are the Half Magic glitter pucks. I'm so glad I did not purchase this already. I was going to like a week ago and I didn't because they're kind of expensive, but they're huge. They're like this round. No, that might not be that big, but they're pretty big, like round glitter pucks for your eyeshadow, and they look incredible. I specifically want the shade Glimmer Pop, but I believe I think there's 4 shades with a 5th one coming out, or there's 3 and then the 4th one is the new one. I know they are adding a new one. It might already be on there. It's like more of an icy white blue iridescent glitter. It looks incredible, like really, really pretty. The next thing I want to get is the Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Highlighter Wand, specifically in the shade Pillow Talk, the original one. And my girl Kathleen Lights, you guys know she is my favorite YouTuber of all time. She has raved about this beauty wand highlighter, and I don't typically do like cream products. I do like some cream products, and I'm still playing around with that, but I'm here for a liquid highlighter. And if I can also get it on sale, that makes it even better. And that was another one I was almost going to buy like a week ago, and thank goodness I did not, because Charlotte Tilbury is very, very, very expensive. Very expensive. I recently bought her concealer, the Airbrush Flawless Blurring Concealer, whatever it's called. I'm supposed to be getting it in the mail today or tomorrow, which that reminds me I have a few incoming packages, unboxing videos. I'm gonna combine them though. So I've got a couple items from Ulta, and then Jouer Cosmetics. Do you guys remember Jouer? I actually made a purchase off their website recently as well. And then I'm sorry, 2 more items, one from eBay, one from Etsy. And they are very, very, very vintage Urban Decay items. If you know me, you know Urban Decay was always my favorite cosmetics brand. I'm not sure what they're doing right now. It seems like they've kind of lost the edge, but original Urban Decay is where it's at, and I am a collector. So these items will not be used, but they are for my collection, and I cannot wait to show you guys videos on that, on my Urban Decay collection, vintage collection. And there's 2 Urban Decay items that I'm getting, one from eBay, one from Etsy. The one, it was so weird that I found it on Etsy because I've only found this item for sale one other time, and I think the seller was trying to scam me. Like, I bought it, but then they just never sent it. They never emailed me back or wrote me back on Poshmark, and it eventually got canceled, and I was so bummed. So I think that they were just trying to get some money, but this person was actually selling it on Etsy, of all places, and it's at least 25 years old, maybe 26. She's old. So this item is actually the very first run of the Lip Gunk palette that Urban Decay made. They made a duo palette, a Lip Gunk palette, and then the sister palette was an eyeshadow palette. It is the Skull palette. So you had the Skull eyeshadow palette, and then you had the Lip Gunk lip palette, and the lip one originally had a rose on it, but I've never found one that still had the rose decal intact. So this one does not have it. It's a little scuffed up, but you guys, I'm so stoked. I, again, have only ever seen that one for sale, and who knows, maybe it wasn't even real. But that should be here Friday. And the other item, I'm going to show you guys everything. I'm getting off topic. But, so I forgot to read the rest of my list. And I finished up the video. Let me tell you what else is in my cart at Ulta for the 21 plus days of beauty. And I also think it is actually just 21 days. I don't know, the plus threw me off. So forget that I said 26 days. Okay, the rest of the items in my cart are the Laura Mercier Translucent Press Setting Powder Ultra Blur. Next up is going to be the Kaja Beauty Bento Trio, the stacked eyeshadow trio, specifically in the shade Forest Night. Forest Night has been in my likes section on Ulta for a very long time. There's probably a few other of them that I want to get, but that one specifically is calling to me. It looks super, super pretty, and I'm excited. I'm also, okay, this is so off subject. I'm not a lip gloss girl. Not at all. Let me show you guys something. So I bought something from Ulta, and I got a free gift, like a few free gifts. And in one of them, if I can find it, oh, here it is. Okay, so I got this Kaja Juicy Glass lip gloss in the shade Fig Smoothie. And I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Again, I'm not a lip gloss girl. Like, I actually cannot stand lip gloss. I use this every single day. It's just so hydrating. So hydrating. Here, we'll try it. It smells good. It looks good. It's slightly tinted. It's not super sticky. I mean, it's just beautiful. Maybe I'm a Kaja lip gloss girl now. I don't know. Had to mention her. I just want to come on here and chat with you guys. It's been so long, and I've truly missed you. I've missed all of my subscribers, and I cannot express how grateful and thankful I am for you guys. I've told you many, many times, and I don't know if you guys know it. I care about you so much, and any kind of like, comment, share, or view is just incredible, and it means the world to me. And I'm just excited for this journey. I'm excited to, you know, make videos out in my car and have these little car chats with you. And hopefully we can brighten each other's day up and just build this community even more so into the right direction of what YouTube beauty used to be. I always loved the community, and that was the biggest part. I feel like nowadays it's all about like selling stuff, and I don't know. That's why I like Kathleen so much. She's so genuine. And if you guys have not checked out her podcast with Jessie Smiles, JK Podcast, check it out. I'm a little bit behind, so I've been trying to catch up, but they are so freaking funny. I love them together, and I'm so happy that they are doing it. So shout out to the JK Podcast. I am a viewer, subscriber, and I love you girls very, very much. So yeah. This was kind of a ramble video because, again, I have not filmed on camera in such a long time. It's probably been whatever my last video was a couple years ago. The game videos that I've been doing, I love Hollywood Story, but there's only so much that you can do on there with the updates and everything, and it is easier to film. I just screen record on my phone. It's a mobile app that I play on my iPhone 13, and then I just do the voiceover for it with my headset. But I don't know, I just want to get back to creating, get back to learning, and be with you guys. So please leave me a comment down below what you're picking up from the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty sale, and let me know if you're excited for more videos like this. You know, again, we'll be in the car, but we'll have fun, I promise. I love you guys very, very much, and I'll see you very soon on the next one. Bye, guys.